Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW channel for another watch video, and today we're going to be taking a look at this lovely Casio World Timer, also known as the Casio Royale. It's sort of a travelling watch I like to use. I bought it a week ago or so for £35 at Chappelle's Jewellers. I've been looking for one for a while, just because I sort of like the retro styling, etc., that sort of thing. So yeah, today's video is just a quick sort of 4K go over of the watch, explaining the features and sort of showing you guys so you get a nice look at what it's like. I have seen some stuff online about there's been various mods you can do or anything like that. This one's a completely standard watch, so you'll be able to see exactly what you get. So yeah, so this is one of Casio's more affordable watches at £35. And I have to say, for £35 you can't really get much better. It's typical Casio in the way that it's got lots of features, it's well made, and it's got a 10-year battery, as you can see here, just on the front of the watch. We've got the standard features like world time, alarms and stopwatches, and this one is sort of a world time special watch. It's essentially designed so that people who travel a lot can change world time super easy, and yeah, so it's a nice retro styled watch. I believe it's based on a Seiko 800 series watch which came out a fair while ago now, which some of those are selling for over 800 quid, so this is a nice little alternative if you like the retro styling and the various other things that this sort of watch gives you. In terms of affordability, this is probably one of the best watches out there, and it's very simple to use. So yeah, as you can see, we've got your normal digital time here on the base at the bottom of the watch here, and then this is a feature that I like. It's actually a digital analog clock, if that makes sense. So you have the hour hand and the minute hand up there, along with the seconds moving round. You have the date and day dominated here, and then you may have noticed we've actually got a world map. I know this is one of my favourite features about the watch, is the fact that the world map is active depending on which time zone that you go into. So if we just take a look at some of the modes on this watch, so it's just press the mode button, as with most Casios, and now here we are into the world time. And now we're going to cycle through the world time with this, and if you just watch the map as we go through, you can see that the different time zones become highlighted depending on the place that you choose to read the time from. So as you can see, Dubai here, Kabul, as we move around from Delhi, Bangkok, Singapore, and as you can see, the map is moving round, which is one of my favourite features of this watch. Really, it's sort of like a bit of a geeky thing, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And as you can see here, we go all the way around the world. And back to London. So yeah, that's one of the features on this watch that I love. And then if we keep going past world time, we've got our alarms here, pretty standard alarms. I've got the SIG activated, which means that it beeps every hour, just so I find it easier to keep track of the hours then. A timer here, stopwatch, and then back to London. Another feature of this watch that I enjoy is the fact that you can preset time zones. So I've currently got it set to London, as I'm based in the UK. If I press here, it will automatically switch to Dubai, Hong Kong, or New York City. So you can have up to 4 preset time zones to make it quicker. So if you're a regular traveller to a particular area, you can have multiple time zones set up on your watch already. So yeah, that's another nice little feature. But yeah, in terms of the software and the features of this watch, that's sort of it. So let's take a look at the composition. So this watch is 10 bar water resistant. It's got a silver plastic casing, with your standard Casio crystal display here, but it does have metal buttons, a stainless steel back, as you can see here, and as you can see, water resistant till 10 bar there. It's made in China, Japanese designed of course, and it has a stainless steel bracelet with this sort of mechanism here. It's not a complete unclip and go, it's more of a expand bracelet. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of the Casio World Timer, or Royale as it's also known as. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you like this sort of video, let me know in the comments, and if there's any other watches that you'd recommend or that you'd like to see, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.